a true legend in the world of cricket, and an inspiration to millions. Saurav Ganguly has always carried the spirit of Bengal with him, whether on the field or off it. His leadership, determination, and charisma resonate deeply with every Bengali heart, making him a symbol of our collective pride. Today, as he graces the cultural stage, we eagerly look forward to hearing his words. Now we request Mr. Saurav Ganguly to address the auspicious gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, please, a big round of applause for our own Dada, Saurav Ganguly.
আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত সিনে গসিপে।
Thank you, Jishu. Thank you, June. Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, guests from various parts of the world, my friends and seniors of the film fraternity, actors and co-actors who've actually made this Bengali cinema so watchable and so lovable to all the Bengalis over a long period of time, government officials, ministers, ladies and gentlemen. I'll not take much of your time because as I was sitting with Honorable Chief Minister, she said, speeches should be short. Just when my previous speaker got up, she said, there's too many speeches. I said, yeah, I'll keep it short and sweet. So I take this opportunity to thank her from the bottom of my heart for inviting me here. This is my third season, third year I've come to the film festival. And every time I come, what touches me is the warmth, what I get from her and from everyone on this dais. Bengali cinema over the years have not only just been popular in the state of West Bengal, but in various parts of the world. The history, the culture of cinema not only just brings entertainment to people within the state, but various parts of the country and around the world. It has a rich history and legacy, right from the days of Satyajit Ray, whose cinema actually ushered on the world map. His films like Pather Panchali, Aparajito, and Charulata painted poignant portraits of human life. With time, various other directors, actors have taken the Bengali cinema around the world. Ritik Ghatak, Mrinal Sen, our current generation of actors. I know Rituparna Babu is not with us. Srijit, Kaushik Ganguly, Aniruddha Rai Chaudhary, and many. And pardon me if I forget some of the names. Bengali cinema is what it is today because of their contributions to various films over a long period of time. To the various actors, there's some fantastic senior actors on this stage who I've watched growing up. The current ones led by Dev and many of them, some of them are not here. It is because of you and your support and your hard work that Bengali cinema keeps progressing and gets acceptable to the entire world. My sincere good wishes to all of you. My good wishes to the organizers who year after year organize this wonderful event for all of us. My lot of affection and love for Mamata Didi because she takes care of everyone who's on the stage, where they are sitting, whether they are at the right place, whether they are felicitated, which speaks immense volume of her affection and closeness to this Kolkata Film Festival. It's a week-long program, if I'm correct. Cinema will be shown within the state for a week, various world cinema, various Bengali cinema, and this is that time of the year where all of us want to get back to the movie theaters, want to get back to the sports field, because sports and films are the two most entertainment for people around the world. I thank you once again for inviting me. There are guests, as I said, from various parts of the world, from Argentina, from France. I hope you enjoy our city. You've come at the right time. The weather's beautiful, and I hope you enjoy the beauty of and the culture of the state of West Bengal. It's a very understated city. Very understated state, but as you go around and as you keep seeing this beautiful city, you'll realize it is a lot more than what you actually see in front. So thank you so much for inviting me. To all those who have worked tirelessly to make this successful over the years, once again, my heartiest congratulations. And I hope all of you here, the citizens of the state of West Bengal, keep watching the performance of some of the brilliant actors who are with us on this stage and continue the rich heritage and the culture of the state. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jishu. Thank you, Julie.
Thank you so much, Dada.
আমরা হলাম সিনে গসিপ। জুড়ে থাকুন আমাদের সঙ্গে, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের এই ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি।